Hey guys, this amazing world's smallest mini Wi-Fi projector will blow your mind. As well, this best and small portable monitor for any laptop in the world. A new adapter to make any laptop touchscreen. All this and more on this video, so let's begin. Number 1.
Hi, I'm Jared, and I wanted to show you this game-changing product, the SideTrak Swivel. SideTrak is a 12.5-inch full HD portable monitor that allows you to easily work anywhere with 2 screens. Simply clip the magnetic mounting frame onto the metal plate that's on your laptop. Then, you want to open your laptop, rotate your screen, and then flip the screen. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to plug in the USB-C to USB-C cord, but that's if you have a USB-C port. Otherwise, you need to plug in both the mini HDMI and the USB cord. And now, you're ready to work on the go. SideTrak's magnets glide across the attached metal plate, so you can slide your screen in and out. And the screen swivels horizontally and vertically to adjust to your viewing preference. Easily share your screen with the person across from you by changing your display settings to mirror, and then rotate the screen horizontally. You can also choose to swivel the SideTrak vertically, and the screen is going to auto-rotate. You may need to unplug and plug the screen back in to prevent the cord from getting tangled. The SideTrak swivel weighs 1.2 pounds and has a strong magnetic connection. This allows you to pick up your laptop while the SideTrak is still open and walk from room to room without having to take down your whole setup. If you would like to provide additional support to your laptop's hinge, we recommend using SideTrak's built-in kickstand. This kickstand also enables SideTrak Swivel to be used as a freestanding monitor. When you're finished working, simply unplug your power cord, swivel, and then close your SideTrak, close the laptop, and then you're ready to go. Or simply pop it off the metal plates and travel with it separately. SideTrak is powered by DisplayPort technology and is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Chrome operating systems. If you have any connectivity issues, contact our all-star customer service team. If you're interested in learning more about the SideTrak, see the tech specs below and make your work at home, in the office, or on the go easier and faster with SideTrak.
Guys, today we are talking about the brand new Jetboil Flash. Now the Flash has always been about lightning fast boil times, and the new model continues that by shaving an entire minute off the previous version's boil time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now that means you can now boil 16 ounces of water in just 100 seconds.
This is the best adapter to change your laptop from a normal screen to a touch screen. This is for the 15-inch, but you can choose different sizes on Amazon. Guys, let's see how it works. Beautiful. You just attach it to the bottom, and then now it's already a touchscreen computer. What a beautiful method to really enjoy changing your style of the screen with just a few bucks. Number 5, this is a flashlight that you can put it with free hands and work and look and hide dark places and enjoy free hands and really I think this is one of the useful chargeable, and you can really find it very cheap on Amazon with the best reviews. Enjoy. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel for more Amazon best deals. Smash the like button. Thank you.